Hello student. Today we are going to discuss about the somatic embryogenesis. This video is particularly for 2nd and 6th semester student of BTech Biotechnology course under VNMKV Parbai. Now the term somatic embryogenesis, we will split it and we will see its meaning. So it is two different terms. Somatic stands for something that has been generated from somatic cells, or there are two types of cell in plant. One is gametic and other is somatic. Somatic cells are generally diploid and gametic cells are haploid in nature. Now somatic embryogenesis means the embryo formation happens from the somatic cells. Now in nature we know that the gametic cells generally form embryo. So gametic cells, that is anther, inside anther there is a pollen grain, and then there is a inside ovary there is a ovule, then there is a formation of fertilization, and this will result in the formation of diploid cell. So after formation of zygote, it will divide, redivide and form the embryo structure. This is a normal embryogenesis process. But when the formation of embryo happens from the somatic cells, okay, this is known as somatic embryogenesis. If this happens from the somatic cell, then it is known as a somatic embryogenesis. Now how does this somatic embryogenesis happen? It is necessary, we have to study this process of happening somatic embryogenesis. Now what happens in vitro culture or in plant tissue culture techniques? Under in vitro culture, we excise a plant, we call it as an explant. We put them under various artificial conditions, and then these explants start to divide and redivide. So while dividing and redividing, this explant can form embryo-like structures. Remember, these explant can form embryo-like structures. Okay. So this process of formation of embryo-like structures or embryo from the somatic cells under in vitro condition is known as a somatic embryogenesis. It is known as somatic embryogenesis. Okay. So now what happens? These embryo, unlike are not covered by seed coat, so they are naked. But under in vitro condition, these embryo can germinate and form a whole plantlet, just like a normal seed which germinate in nature. Okay, so remember that somatic embryo has a common character like a gametic embryo or zygotic embryo. Okay, so it can germinate and form a whole plantlet. And as we know that under in vitro condition, we can prepare n number of somatic embryos. So we can produce n number of plantlets. So now this is a part 1 video of somatic embryogenesis. Now in next video we'll going to in more details about the somatic embryogenesis. Thank you. Okay.